Friends, today I'll give you information about money plant. Money plant is a hot favorite with all of us. It is a positive energy plant, and when you grow it indoors, the advantage is that in the night also it gives oxygen. So it is good for the health. Now money plant, basically its growing pattern is such, it likes to cling to something and grow. So if you're growing it in a pot, if you use a moss stick, this moss stick, it will cling to the moss stick and it will grow well, and it really grows nice luscious green. Now once it grows, you have to keep trailing it around the moss stick, and you get a nice stump. Now to take cuttings from money plant, what I would suggest is that one plant you grow in mud or soil mix, so that plant will grow very fast. Then from that plant you can make many more plants by taking cuttings, and then you can put them in water in different containers and put them all over the house. So now to cut a money plant, how to take a cutting. See, now this branch has grown long, so just above the node we take a cutting. Now the second node is over here, but below the node this stem is very long, so this will not take root. What you have to do is just below the node you take a slanting cut just about half a centimeter long, and now this lower leaf also you cut off. Now this stem, if you immerse it in a glass of water or any bowl of water, it will bear roots in a few days, and it will start growing also. Of course, the growth in water will be slower than normal soil growth, but this way you can have small cuttings all over the house. And now these cuttings you can put in soil mix also and grow them in poly bags or in small pots also in this manner. Here, see, in a small pot I've taken cuttings and I put the cuttings in soil mix. So these also tend to grow fast. You can also use money plant in hanging baskets. Now see, these are money plant in hanging baskets. Here, this is another variety of money plant which is known as marble queen. Here the leaves have a white shading. And here this is the normal money plant which is green. And see, when you put it totally indoors in the shade, sometimes what happens, the leaves become totally green. But sometimes if it gets bright light, it gets a shading, a creamish tinge or a yellowish tinge on it, which is fine. Now this variety from here also, see, I've taken cuttings and I've put them in small containers. See, this is a small clay pot, and here I've put this in pebbles, just pebbles filled with water. Here another cutting I've put only in water. Then some of the leaves, when they tend to, these are caterpillars in eating the leaves, so you just cut them off. See, here again another money plant in water. Then there is another variety of money plant where the leaves really become big when you put them in the ground. Here this money plant has been put in the ground and it is clinging to the wall and growing, and with a good soil mix and manure the leaves are really becoming big. Now the problem that we faced in summer was that because of the intense heat in April and May, these leaves had started burning. And everybody was tensed and worried about why my money plant leaves are burning, but that was basically due to the climate. So you just cut off those burnt leaves. That's it, and nothing to worry. And now see the new growth that is coming up with the rains. All these leaves have become green again. So friends, hope these tips will be useful to you and you will start growing money plant at home.